How do hospitals ensure a safe and hygienic environment? This video explores the structured audit process using eAuditor. Discover how compliance with cleaning protocols and infection control policies is maintained. The assessment ensures hospital housekeeping aligns with SOPs. eAuditor offers structured inspections and real-time reporting. Infection control is crucial to reduce HAI risks. Staff competency is verified. Identifying gaps in protocols. Continuous improvement is supported through auditable records. Capture facility details for accountability. Record hospital name, department, and inspection areas. Include date, time, and auditor's name. Determine inspection type, routine, scheduled, or spot check. Verify staff compliance with SOPs and personal presentation standards. Patient rooms require daily and weekly cleaning. Disinfect high-touch surfaces like bed rails and switches. Bathrooms must be sanitized per SOPs. Ensure floors are dry to prevent slip hazards. Follow structured cleaning schedules in all patient areas. Operating theaters follow strict cleaning SOPs. Isolation rooms need enhanced protocols to prevent contamination. Corridors and waiting areas require regular sanitation. Staff rooms and offices must maintain hygiene standards. Ensure waste disposal adheres to SOPs in all areas. Segregate waste correctly and follow disposal guidelines. Store chemicals securely and adhere to COSH procedures. Verify cleaning tools are in good condition. Use color-coded equipment correctly. Ensure regular maintenance of cleaning machines. Use approved disinfectants and follow hand hygiene protocols. Minimize cross-contamination risks and ensure fire safety. Document daily cleaning logs accurately. eAuditor supports photo uploads and corrective action tracking. Trend analysis aids performance improvement. Identify non-conformances in cleaning and equipment use. Assign corrective actions through eAuditor. Generate reports for management and regulatory bodies. Use audit data to refine schedules and training. Maintain high hygiene standards through continuous improvement. By adhering to SOPs, hospitals ensure a safe environment. eAuditor facilitates real-time reporting and compliance tracking. Continuous improvement is achieved through structured audits and corrective actions.